Now, how do I trade the forex market with the amount of money in my account? Now, the good thing is that the way the forex market is structured is with practically any amount of money, not any, but almost any amount of money, you can trade the forex market. So you can have $20, you can have $50, you can have $1,000, $1,000,000, any amount of money you have. With technology today, you can actually trade the forex market, but you can only do that through what is known as lot sizes. Lots are basically units of measurement in the markets. That is how the market is measured, in lots, because we all have different account sizes. So the smaller your account, the smaller your lot size, and the bigger your account, the bigger your lot size. That is the basic explanation for this. So if you have a $20 account, for example, you're trading with 0.01 lot size. Maybe if you have a $500 account, you can trade with 0.10 lot size. If you have maybe a $20,000 account, you can trade with 2 lot size. Remember, like I said, lot sizes are units of measurement, and that measurement is so that it helps us measure how much we can interact with the market, how much we can trade based off how much money we have in our account. So now remember, the basic thing is once you know you have a small account, you trade with smaller lot sizes. Now the good thing is that there's a way you can calculate your lot size in respect to your account size, right? There's a website to do that. I'm going to write it in this video. You can see it. So what it does is that if you have $100 in your account, it will tell you the amount of lot size you should use to trade. That is the basic understanding of lot sizes. Peace out.